Hello, my friends. Christopher Baroulette with the Baroulette Collection at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am back after a bit of a hiatus with another great new construction opportunity in sunny Kissimmee, Florida. Today, December 2nd, 2021, we are going to be taking a look at what's available with KB Homes at Bella Viva. Now, this is a brand spanking new community that is coming, located near Champions Gate. Currently being sold from Tivoli Reserve, which is also in an area and still has some great opportunities that are available. Both are real close proximity to Disney and other attractions, and they're about 30 to 35 minutes from downtown Orlando and the Orlando airport. Now, this is my first time showcasing KB with you. I think it is a great option for those that are budget focused, but also like to customize their home. They kind of give you the base model of the home, which I call to like kind of like a cheese pizza, if you will, and all of the different options or toppings to kind of make the home your own. In just a few moments, we're going to be walking through the 1989 model. And if you noticed already, they kind of keep it kind of easy and simple by naming the models the same as the square footage of the home. I think that it's a great options that they have available, and they are pretty extensive. So I'm not going to go ahead and list them right now, but I will make sure that they are down in the description below as well. I'm going to do my best to make sure I highlight each and every one of them throughout the walkthrough as well. So let's go ahead and pop on into the 1989 and let's see what you think of the layout. Upon walking up, again, the 1989 model, or KB overall, definitely has a more traditional or classic style, but I do love what they offer at the top there as far as some siding or something to give some kind of distinct differentiation between what the different areas and kind of looks on the front of the home. But you know, typically you have your like kind of garage, and then you have your window from the bedroom that's over there, your front door. So great overall, I think, look, and as you can see, the home is kind of nice and wide, and that's something that we'll definitely find with the 1989 model. So they're going to be concrete, right? As you see here with the driveway here, this is going to be a concrete slab, and kind of looking around the neighborhood at some of the other homes, you're going to have that concrete that's going to be there and walkways or walk through all the way up to the area. So kind of like what you see right there by the door and here. I know they have these pavers, but this looks like just to be for the model area. So let's pop on in, take a look. I really love the little kind of front foyer area, enough room for something of like a bench or any kind of piece that you like. Very nice walking into the hallway and front foyer. Good room, definitely, you know, kind of what you can view and kind of see from here. I love that all look all the way back. So a little bit of good room on this wall, definitely for a decorative piece, something like that. That's great. So let's pop on in. We've got our first two bedrooms right up front. So we'll take a look. I think we're calling this one bedroom 3. Is kind of how they have it labeled for you. But good size overall, typically what you would expect. Of course, we'll have those measurements up for you, and your just typical kind of closet with the sliding doors here. So great room overall though, and definitely will work, you know, depending on who you have that's going to be coming in here. It's great size. All right, now on into your bathroom that these rooms kind of share. Maybe guess it's probably going to be your guest bathroom as well. And you have really a lot of different options that kind of start here on ways that you can customize it. So you do have your tub and kind of shower as normal. You know, you got the commode there, you got the sinks, but they actually have the option here for you to do dual sinks if you'd like. So you can have dual sinks here. You can also have how they have it with the vanity as well. So if you have the vanity, you just have the one sink in the vanity area. You can also have vanity with a cabinet as well here. So they've done that for you, as well as a window. You can actually, instead of having that wall and picture there, you can add in a window in this bathroom. So some great options to get natural light in here. Then on into bedroom 2. Again, kind of a, you know, typical, it's kind of a copy of the room next to it. So they're probably going to be same sizing and the same closet, but good room overall. All right, so let's head on over across the way a bit, all right? So we've got this here is gonna be the door out to your garage, 2-car garage. So that's where you got that there. And then on to the right here, you've got your laundry room, all right? Good size, I think, again, just for the machines particularly. You might be able to, I think, to fit a small table or something back in this corner here if you'd like to have some kind of workstation. The options that they offer available here are the cabinetry above the washing machine and drying machine. I definitely recommend them. That is one of the things that my wife raves about in our home and absolutely loves having that added storage space. Now right here is where you're gonna have your AC closet, okay? So here's where you're gonna do your maintenancing of the AC unit. We definitely wanna make sure you're doing that monthly down here as we run our ACs 24/7. So I also recommend a maintenance plan as well to keep up that. So heading on into bedroom 4, all right? This one is a great size. I think it's a little bit bigger than the ones, but that might be just my eyes a little bit on the ones on the other side. But it has the option for you to make it into a den, and I'll kind of show you a little bit both because it's configured as a bedroom right now. It's got the closet, and if they do the den, they're gonna go ahead and get rid of that and leave an open space there, but showing you the spacing of what it looks like when you've got it set up as a den as well. So either a bedroom or den, depending on what you need, this will work great for you. All right, so let's head on out into the open area. And I really think you're going to love this about this home, because when you get back into the common area here, it just kind of opens up. Look at that. Look at how much room and space you've got in here. Again, I think this 1989 square footage is just one of these sweet spots. So let's start here in living room, and we'll kind of take you all the way around. I think it has a great feel in this open space. They've done a great job with it. Now, with the living and the dining area, one of the options that they offer is that you can actually switch those. So you can have your dining area over here and your living area. But overall, it's a great size. It's nice and big. You know, as far as the spacing here for all that you might need, but you can actually switch those as well. Now they're showing, and what they've done here is actually the vaulted ceiling as well, and I think it gives a little bit of a grand look into the space and rooms a little bit more. When it's taller like that, people like that, and that's also an option that's available for you as well. So on into your dining area, and again, you can switch this to have this area be more living. But I think the dining area is great size, as you can see with the table that they've got here. You could definitely fit a bigger table and do something that could seat 8 or more. There's plenty of room in the dining area as well. Plenty of windows for lots of great light, so I do like that, and especially that option to kind of switch the areas. Now out onto the patio, you've got a couple of different options that are available. You can actually do the covered patio that they have here as you see it. So very nice setup, and we'll kind of let you, just to give you an idea of how much room you have and what you can put out on the patio. So if you'd like, you can have that full covered patio option. They do also have the option, if you don't want that or need that much, you can go ahead and put just the concrete slab here. All right, so you can get an idea of the room that you have. This will, be just a concrete slab that you can put here as an option, or you can have the full covered patio and how it looks, with the rest of the home. So let's pop in. All right, so I do love having this space here. I think it's an absolutely great option for the room, or a great part of the room, I should say, because it leaves a perfect space for you to do something here that's a little bit, more for you, whether you'd like to have like a bar or something you could build here. You could put, a decorative piece just like they have in here. So it's a very nice setup, and I like having those kind of extra spaces in a home. So right on into the kitchen. I love the spacing of it, great room. It does kind of come down to one side, but again, with the way that they've designed and given, kind of different slants and angles, there's a lot of great room in the kitchen. So a couple cooks in here won't be running into each other. Of course, having the sink and washer out on the island kind of spreads the functions out a little bit. So the options here that are available, you have a bit of a base kitchen, but you can turn it into a gourmet kitchen. All right, the cabinetry that's above the refrigerator here is also an option. So if you don't have that, you kind of have a little bit of a space there above the refrigerator. This here is a pantry door for you. So just a little bit of your pantry. And then the other option that they have available in the kitchen is you can go ahead and instead of having the island like this, you can make it a higher kind of breakfast bar. So they'll go ahead and raise just the front side of it up there. And if you'd like to have taller stools and things like that, you can have that there instead of a high breakfast bar. Really great as far as giving you the granite cabinets. I love the size of the island as well. So something that's perfect for entertaining. It's absolutely phenomenal. Setup. All right, so heading on into the primary bedroom. First, you've got your coat closet. So your kind of guest closet here, and then on into the primary bedroom. Beautiful size here, absolutely phenomenal. I love that they've got a couple of windows here. Definitely has some good light and great size overall, as you can see with king size bed. You got room for more furniture. I think you're really going to enjoy this closet. It has such a great size to it. So definitely I think it's better, of course, when you do this customized, kind of closet. It uses the space so much better than just kind of, one rack of the wires as they kind of have them here. But great size overall in this closet. You can add options for getting, a plug in there, and if you need electricity, something you want to have in here. Great size overall as well. All right, now one of the options that are available in here they don't have is that they can give you a tray ceiling. So you can get the tray ceiling here in the master bath as well. And in the primary bedroom as well. And you can also go ahead and add a window right here. So just before the primary bath door, they can put a window right there for you. And in your primary bath, they have a lot of good room. And actually some great options to customize as well. But this is kind of like your base bathroom, so kind of the way that you see it here. All right. And you have the options if you'd like to enclose the commode, you can definitely do that. So they'll go ahead and close it and put like a door right on the front side here, kind of be like right here. All right. And then you have, of course, still your double sinks as normal, your cabinetry as normal, and then you've got the shower. But you do have the option of kind of changing this out a bit, so you can do a garden tub if you'd like as well. And then also you can have the option of both the tub and the shower in here as well. So it really gives you a great opportunity to customize this bathroom and make it all your own. All right, my friends, that was the 1989. I really hope that you enjoyed this model. I definitely did. I agree that it is the sweet spot when it comes to the size of the home, 1,900 square feet, 3 to 4 bedroom. It's probably the most common home that I kind of get requested in the entry or mid-level, I should say. So if you'd like any more information on this home or any other home in the Central Florida area, please be sure to give us a call at 407-325-4904. You can search homes directly at jointhecollection.com. All right, I will see you in the next one. And as always, I invite you to join the collection.